Hi, I'm Chef Jamel Boyd, and today we're going to teach you how to prepare tilapia cooked in butter. It's a little different from sauteing it, steaming it, or grilling it. This method gets a lot of flavor, and it's a little different from what you're used to, but I think you'll really like it. First, we'll start by basting our butter on our sheet tray, like so. Get a nice amount on there, because this is going to give the fish that much flavor. Next, we'll take our tilapia fillets. We'll put them down on our sheet tray here, skin side down. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our crab seasoning, sprinkle it on there like that, a nice amount, and give it a nice little bit of flavor. Okay, we'll just take some salt. Some pepper. Okay. Okay, so now we'll just take this and put it in our 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take our tilapia out of the oven. That's been baked with butter. So now we'll just simply plate it up. And the butter that's been baked on gives it just a nice, really nice flavor. Very nice, healthy dish. Hi, I'm Chef Jamel Boyd, and that's how you prepare tilapia cooked in butter.